in case of Sea of Galilee, what has happened is that there is a very good amount of attention that has been given because of the unusual red appearance, right? Why is this red appearance happened? So has happened because of the bloom of green algae. Now this color is red appearance because of green algae. Can you see where you will UPSC will trap you, right? This will generally look like that this is a trap and this is a wrong option, right? But do remember, what is happening is the algae is green, but it is producing a red appearance. Very, very important, right? Now, which is this algae? So this is this algae, right? More than the algae itself, it becomes really important that in the Indian context, where do you see these kind of formations? So if you want to remember, there is a lunar lake, right? Lunar lake in Maharashtra. Then there is Sambar lake in Rajasthan, and then there is Pangong Tso, right, in Ladakh, right? So there are some lakes in India itself which are really, really important, because of course they are also important in different other aspects also. Lunar lake is one of the important crater lakes of the world, right? Sambar lake is a saltwater lake, right? These are other aspects also, but they also change color, right? Due to different reasons, but their association with India is also very important. Now, in case of Sea of Galilee, what has happened is, of course, this has changed color, but for us, the most important aspect is because it is around the conflict area, that is Israel-Palestine aspect, right? So let's look at this particular lake itself. Now, where is this lying? So it is lying just above the West Bank. It is lying just above the West Bank. There is a region called Golan Heights. It is just south of Golan Heights, right? Now, all of these regions are very important, but specifically so because Golan Heights are quite a strategic location, especially for the country of Israel, especially because of its water security that is being provided by Sea of Galilee, right? Now, it is called a Sea of Galilee, but actually it's a freshwater lake, right? It is a freshwater lake, right? So first important thing is it's a freshwater lake, right? It is not similar to another sea that you will find, that is Dead Sea, right? Dead Sea is a saltwater lake.